Orchids Garden USA here. I'm going to show you one of my Phalaenopsis, and this one is growing in a clear plastic flower pot, and it has lots and lots of holes. This is best for the orchids, to me anyway. This is best for the orchids that I got it at Lowe's, and growing in sphagnum moss, as you can see right there. Looking really healthy. This orchid's been living outside last summer, and I brought them in this winter during cold weather because they cannot tolerate the cold weather. They will rot or die. But anyway, what unusual about this orchids is that it has two spikes. See right here? This is one of them. And the odd part about it is like growing at the very bottom right here. Usually it grows right here or right there, but this one, it's growing right there at the very base of the plants, and it seems smaller than usual, so I don't think I'm gonna get a lot of spike on this one. I mean flower on that one. And the best part about it is also have this another spike right here. This one is a little bit bigger and seems bigger right here, and I don't know how many flower I'm gonna get, but I'm getting something. And usually I cannot grow any orchids for the longest period of time with two spikes like this. This is unusual on some of my orchids because it's doing that for some reason this year. And almost all my orchids, Phalaenopsis, have bloomed. I mean have spike like that, but not two, but they all have spike, and very unusual for my orchids to do that. I must be doing a great job. But anyway, this one is growing in a sphagnum moss, and because it's the winter and it dries out faster, and the plants really loves the sphagnum moss. See right here, you can see all the roots, really healthy roots right here. See, and I got this plastic from a dollar store, and it fit perfectly in there. And so because it's winter and the heater is on every day, and the sphagnum moss dries out fast, therefore I water it once a week. Sometimes it's less than once a week because it gets really dry here because of the heater. So I water whenever I needed it. It used to be that schedule every Sunday, but now I can't do that because it dries out faster now than it used to be. And so but anyway, I just want to give it to you. Just want to let you know how I take care of these orchids with two spikes, and water once a week. And also I apply fertilizer. Every time I water, I put fertilizer in the water, and I just use regular Miracle Grow plant food fertilizer. That's all I use. I don't use any other. And I mix them up with water, and I dunk this in the orchids in there, and then that's how I do it. And that's how I water my orchids. So it's very, very easy to take care of. Very, very easy to take care of. And this one looks really, really healthy. The leaves is really healthy. This looks like a almost brand new leaf right here, and it's really firm. The leaves are really firm right here, and so I can't wait to see what color this flower is going to be. Just can't wait. It's really amazing. All right, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, just leave comments on the video, and I will respond to you as soon as I can. I have multiple videos uploaded in my channel, and if you have any questions, just do a research and it might answer your question. All right, thank you so much. Oh, by the way, I grow multiple types of orchids besides Phalaenopsis. I have Oncidium, Dendrobium, and Cymbidium. So anyway, this is the one that I got, and I have many of this, and I keep them all indoor during winter. But in summer, or as soon as it gets warm outside and the orchids can tolerate like 50 degrees and up, and it doesn't go down, then it can live outside. The reason I do that because they do really well outdoor, and then it produces more buds right away, and it's healthier too. And also I use if I don't use fertilizer, I use rainwater. And that's what I use for my orchids. We get a lot of rain, you know, in the winter here, and I save them. And that's what I use to water my orchids. All right, thank you so much. Bye.